In this video we will learn how to draw and edit walls. First of all, we can select the color to be used in the 3D and 2D drawings. We can also choose the geometric parameters of the wall, such as the height, the thickness of the wall, the beam attributes, and other parameters. We can start by defining the first point of the wall, then by indicating the direction, and finally by entering the distance to the second point in the growing side direction. An alternative way to draw a wall would be to draw a polyline following the outer contour of the building. Through the object snap, we define the end point to close the polyline. Once the polyline is made, then we select the command outer wall from polyline. Inner walls can be drawn in the same way. We can use anytime all the CAD tools, such as trim and extend. We can switch to the 3D and the rendered model and work directly on them. The walls can be modified either through a double click to intervene in the dialog parameters, or by using the property panel, or by dragging the grips with the mouse. Besides, we can select 2 or more walls to make multiple modifications. A curved wall can be easily drawn by just giving the wall starting point, a second point, and the wall end point.